There he goes in all his glory.
Why are you dumping water?
Have you had enough attention?